To accept Zelle payments on your Keybank, you first need to set up Zelle, also known as Zelle, on your Keybank. This process begins by opening the Keybank app and clicking on the plus icon at the bottom, which will display multiple options. From these options, select the Send Money with Zelle feature. A new space will open, and from here, you must click on the Zelle Terms and Conditions. This will lead to a page where you can read the terms of use for Zelle. After reviewing the terms, click on the Turn button, followed by the Extra button. A picture will then appear, and you will need to click on the Get Started button at the bottom. You will be prompted to select either your email or mobile number to enroll in Zelle. Choose one or change it if necessary. Next, select the account you want to use with Zelle from the list of accounts in your Keybank, and then click the Continue button at the bottom. A 6-digit code will be sent to your selected mobile number, which you will need to enter. Once these steps are completed, your Zelle will be set up on your Keybank, and you will be able to automatically accept Zelle payments.